how to find missing iPad in the house. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So have you misplaced your iPad somewhere in your house? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through some easy steps to help you track it down in no time. First of all, if you have another Apple device handy, open up the Find My app. If not, you can log into iCloud.com on a computer with your Apple ID. For now, I'll show you in my iPad itself. So you'll need to go to your Find My app, and then there you'll find all the devices with the same Apple ID. So tap on your iPad. So after you tap on it, you'll find the play sound option. So if you tap on it, then it will send an alert to your iPad and your iPad will start ringing like this. So just follow the ring and you'll find your iPad in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.